Okay, good afternoon, students. We are going to find out how to shade the sunset of our silhouette beach scene. And we're going to start out by drawing a line across the first half of the picture to create our horizon line. And we're going to draw that line with our pencil. Then we're going to get our yellow coloring pencil. Make sure you have all of your equipment, all the tones that you need for this first section. And then we're going to start to shade our yellow. And we're going to take our yellow all the way up. And notice I'm shading with the side of my pencil. It goes a little faster. And we're going to take our yellow all the way up to at least a third of the picture. Okay, so you're going to take it up. I'm doing this one. It goes a little faster when you do it from the side. Now you could take your time because you're layering the color. So you're going to take the yellow all the way up to a third of the picture, at least a third. And then I'm going to find my yellow orange. I'm going to get to my yellow orange. And my yellow orange now, I'm going to move that one. And I think this is the next shade up, would be my yellow orange from my yellow. And then I'm going to blend in a little of that. I'm just going to press lightly. I'm going to blend in a little of that into my yellow. And then I'm going to press a little harder as I go up. Press a little harder with my, and I'm going a third way up with this too. But I remember now, this is my yellow orange, so I'm not going to use up all this space, because I'm going to come in with my real orange, my total orange shade. So I'm going to come in with my other orange portion. And I hope you can see it. I know the lighting is a little hard today. So I'm going to go press in a little harder with my orange. I'm going to blend that into the orange. Now, it's like a value scale I'm doing with the orange. I'm doing it light. I'm blending it in with the other orange. And I'm going to keep going. I'm pressing a little harder as I go along now so you can see the value. I don't know if you can see the value more clearer, but I'm going to try. And notice that I'm going from side to side, side to side. So I'm taking this on with horizontal strokes. I'm going from side to side. I'm using the side of my coloring pencil right now until I feel comfortable with my tones. And I'm taking that a third of the way up my page as well. So I have another set of color to come in as I go on. I'm going to get my red tones. I'm going to get a red orange now. Pressing a little harder now as I go up to the top of my page. Taking it in some more. I'm going to blend it in with the orange that I just used. Now this is a sunset, so you know you're trying to get into that sunsetty look. I'm getting to my red orange. I'm going to press even harder because I'm coming into my red area. So I'm going to press harder, but now I'm going to go back and I'm going to try to blend the color. Now when I talk about blending, blending is a smooth, transitional color that moves from one end to the next. So really, you got to keep going over it until it blends. I'm going to come back in on my yellow again. So I'm going to keep on going. Then I'm going to come with my darker red, a little further up to the top. And I notice my yellow might need some more intensity. So I'm going to come back with my yellow. But I'm going all the way to the top. I'm blending a little of the red in with my orange tone. Remember, we're only working with the cool colors, the yellows, the reds, and the oranges. Not in that order, but the yellows, the oranges, and the reds. I'm going to get a little dark at the top. I'm just trying to fill in right now. I'm going to press harder. I'm going to press a little harder. And guess what? I'm going to go and add in a little bit of my red purple at the top here. That's a dark tone, but I'm going to blend that in at the top of my page with my red. just to add in the red violet or the red purple tone. Now, I'm going to look at my picture, and then I'm going to see if it's really blended as much as I would like it to. And then if I feel like it's not, then I'm going to come in my yellow, blend in some more of my yellow, make it darker in some areas. Come in with my yellow. I want to make that darker and blend that in a little bit more with my orange to make it look more orange yellow. So I'm going to go in a little bit more. I'm going to come in with my orange yellow, darken that area, and I'm going to go all the way to the next side, but I'm just doing this portion for you to see it. So my colors could look a little bit more blended in certain areas. Then I'm going to come in with my red orange, and I'm going to darken that so it looks a little blended in. And then I'm going to go across my page until I feel as if my sunset looks as blended as I want it to look. And I'm going to finish this up, and I'm going to show you how the finished look should be at the end of it all, because I don't want to spend the whole time, but I want you to slowly until you get it looking like a blended sunset. I could bring my orange down a little lower in this area, a little bit of the red or yellow orange in here, so as to put a little bit more in here until it has that sunset effect. So I will be sending you a picture of how the finish should look, but this was just an idea of how you should get to this point, okay? So thank you. I will be getting right back to you.